Hello and welcome to Teach Me Money Methods. In this video, I'm going to actually show you how you can make $196 each day in this hot niche, and you're going to see why it's an up and coming and hot niche over the last year and a half. And we're going to be talking specifically about turning your PLR into a course. So I do a lot of private label rights or PLR videos on this channel, and it's because I actually do put this stuff into practice, and part of my income strategies each month in my online business is private label rights or PLR related. I'm able to take PLR and turn them and rewrite them and republish them on Amazon or Draft2Digital. I also take PLR and I turn it into courses and rank those on the Udemy platform, where you can put courses up where people will buy your course for $10, around $10. And you split that sale or commission with Udemy. And so all these strategies that I teach, and then there's also another method too. You can actually turn your PLR books into audio books as well. So there's so many different things you can do with private label rights and PLR to actually start making money from this. So, don't let this business of PLR be where you get PLR products and then you just leave them on your desktop, on your computer, and just let them stack up and build. All the PLR in the world is not going to change the fact that if you're not taking action, then you're not ever going to make money from PLR. You're not going to make any money from it if you don't actually put the work in. So if you put the work in with PLR, then you can have a business in a box ready to go, because these products are already done for you. All the hard work's done, the research, everything, and you're ready to go. So some of it is technique, and you just have to know how to do that. And I teach that on this channel. So if this is your first time to the channel, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss out on my PLR related videos. And I've been putting a lot of more of these out because people really like these videos. And so coming from somebody that actually does this, and it's not just theory or something that I'm saying, oh, this could work. I can actually show you proof that it actually does work. So let's jump in and show you the strategy. So before we do that, let me show you what the PLR product is that we're going to be talking about today. And I'm going to show you how we can actually apply this, right? So, I only want to recommend products that you can actually do something with, right? So, there's a lot of products that come out on Warrior Plus and JVZoo and ClickBank and all that on a daily basis, dozens of products. And, I don't want to just grab products that look nice and then, recommend them to you when really there's nothing inside of it that you can actually take action on, right? Like, for example, a lot of the products are just how to get traffic to your business. Well, there's only so many ways that you can actually get traffic to your business to make sales. And so all it is just rebranded, rehashed information that is being sold to people on a daily basis. But really, that's what the beauty is. And that's why I like, for example, the low content books, when I create coloring books or things like that and maybe sell that, or I even promote and I suggest coloring book products to you guys, because you can actually take those products and do something with them, right? So they are very valuable to you. So only buy products online that are valuable and that can actually be a valuable asset to your business, right? So you want to be careful. Don't go chasing shiny object. They call it shiny object syndrome for a reason. It means that, just a nice sales page and you are not making any money online. And so then you go ahead and click the buy button and think that buying that product is going to change your life. And it's just simply not. But what I am big on, right, is products like this. And I'm just going to show you. So this is from Premium PLR Reports. And obviously you're getting a 64% discount right now if you pick this up. You can watch the sales video and he kind of goes over how much money he makes with PLR on an annual basis. I think he's making over $300,000 per year with PLR, and he does have the products and proof and all that to back it up. But he does create PLR, but there's obviously using the PLR is what we're interested in on this channel, right? So we want to utilize the private label rights products and get creative. Do what nobody else is doing, right? So you can pick this product up for $13 at any point. Just click the first link in the description. And I am recommending this product. And so he'll just go over some of the numbers, and you can read through the sales page if that's what you like to do. It kind of tells you what you'd be getting, but right here's where it gets interesting. Here's where the best practices for remote wellness made simple, and look at how awesome those graphics are. Really what you're going to be doing is you can grab all this stuff, and then you could leave the text best practices for remote wellness and maybe come up with a different title name. I have a lot of Conversion AI customers now, which is just super awesome. Conversion AI, you could just grab this best practices and then throw it in there under, blog topics or video topics. And it'll go out there and actually suggest new topics or new titles for your course automatically. So you can just get creative and use the tools that you have. Use the tools that, if you're a paying customer of Conversion AI, then use those tools to their fullest abilities. So you can have them actually rewrite and come up with a new title for you. And then all you have to do is just go to Canva and get new graphics and make a new graphics pack. Or, I had a video about a media modifier where you could take this and rebrand it using media modifier. And I'll just leave I'm not going to go into that in this video, but you can, I'll actually put a card up top right now that will take you to a video on how I did my mock-ups for one of my products. And you can come up with graphics like this really simply in that software. It's really, really cool. But anyway, you're getting this big bundle here, right? You're getting module 1, and here's what I really like. So it's going to tell you what this is, and stay with me. If you made it this far in the video, stay with me, because I'm actually going to show you how we're going to apply this. We are going to go over to the Udemy platform. I'm going to show you how you can actually make money from this, and how one course is making $196 per day, or almost $6,000 per month from a remote, working remotely type course. So what's included? And here's why I'm excited about this report and why this is worth $13 to you. The front end product gives you 10,000 words, 29 pages, 10,000 words, right? How to, step-by-step content, 100% unique and original. You get an editable doc file included, so you can edit the books as you wish. So that's really cool. You can go in and edit it, add more paragraphs, do whatever you want. PDF version included, and the professionally formatted and styled, which is really awesome. But this is the most exciting part. 10,000 words. What is 10,000 words? Well, 10,000 words means that you can do a 1-hour course. I do voiceovers and I build courses, and generally every 5,000 words of content will yield you about 30 minutes of content. So this means that a 10,000 word course, you will get a 1-hour course, and that is the magic number. The 1-hour course is a kind of a magic kind of minimum that you need on the Udemy platform. And that's what I teach in my PLR Profits Academy course. And I can teach you how to actually rank your courses on Udemy and bring in reviews and all that. So then you get a checklist, you get a resource cheat sheet, and these are all really cool things that you can include as handouts in your course, and it just makes your students that much more happy. Mind map, really cool. Resource report. And then what is this? You get a ready-made hypnotic sales letter. And so if you wanted to go out and build a full funnel for this, then you could. You can use ClickFunnels, or you can use HTML editor, or possibly a WordPress. But they already have all that built for you as well. Opt-in and page, lead magnets, professional graphics, all that. So I don't really, and then you get the 10 high quality. Oh, so here's another cool thing to talk about. So when you're looking at this is not the ebook. The ebook's 10,000 words, but when you add in 10 quality articles, right? So this can be your e-course or whatever. Each article is 400 words. So what is that? That's an extra, is that 4,000? Is that 4,000? So it's 400 times 10. So you're getting an extra 4,000. So your total plus 10,000. If you wanted the course to be 14,000 words, or almost 1.5 hours, you have it done for you in a box. So this is where you really, oh my gosh, you have promotional emails written as well. You have a full funnel here. So here's another thing, and then I'm going to get into the Udemy thing. If you're in the health or fitness niche, Like for say you have a email an email marketing list, or you have a YouTube channel or something, right? Or even a website. So any of those, then this is perfect. This is a perfect product to rebrand as your own, set up a PayPal integration, and sell this yourself. Sell this product to your customers, right? So I'm showing you just multiple ways that you can make money from PLR. They are complete, full, done for you products in a box. You just have to know what to do and how to use them. So let's jump in. So I'm going to show you. So I'm on the Udemy platform, and this is a great platform to just post up your PLR products. Now you can't just take it and post it up. So some of these products, maybe the upgrade, I'm not going to go over any of the upsells. I'm just going over the front end product, but perhaps the front end, the one of the OTOs or one-time offers might be the videos to this, right? Or the audio. You would never want to take the most valuable piece of a PLR product is the actual ebook, the ebook of 10,000 words. And you can do so many things with that. You don't want to take that, even if it's a course upgrade, and just go and upload it you wouldn't want to just go and take that and upload it on Udemy, right? Because they can flag it. You can, and it can pass. But that's not the main goal. If you want to get the upgrades, that would be more if you're selling the product yourself, or something like that, right? So we're on the Udemy platform, and here we go. So let's see. Why would you buy the remote program? Can this be profitable? Can you make money on Udemy from this? Well, I'm going to show you that you can. So we're in the search box, right? I'm going to say remote. I'm just going to type in remote. And look at all the different stuff that shows up. Remote viewing, remote work, remote desktop, remote. There's just all kinds of different stuff. And if I type in remote work, now look, remote work, remote working, working remotely, work remotely. These are all keywords that you would want to include when you look how to work remotely and productively. So all kinds of different keywords here. So we're going to go with remote work and see what ends up showing up. Now, there's no way that there's 10,000 courses that are actually on this. This is just what is showing up. This is a little bit different than like Amazon or something like that, where, your competition actually isn't 10,000. It's just, this is what they're ranking and indexing in their site, but doesn't mean that you're competing against 10,000 courses. So, I am using this tool here. It's called Course Champ. And it gives you additional insights into Udemy, which is really, really cool. It'll tell you that 18% are coming from the top 3. So if you want this number to be as low as possible, that means that this $5,528 is spread out evenly with multiple courses, and not just a top course getting all the money. And a 4.3 average is not that high. So it's pretty decent. But look at this. Working remotely, how to succeed in the workplace. It is a 1.5 total hours. We know that based on our PLR course, if we buy this over here, we know that we can get a 1.5 hour course. Now they do have 8,000 reviews. So this one's, you're not going to be able to take the top spot, right? But how much money is this top course making per month? Well, they had 1,300 students. Oh gosh, let me see here. So they have 1,300 students enrolled. I'm going to click on that. And you can see that they have 23,000 students total. You can check out the intro video and just see, but this is a bestseller in this category, right? But they do have 1,300 students, and you can see the trend chart and all that. I don't know why that I can't get rid of this this little pop-up thing that Udemy has added on there when just looking at that, unfortunately. It kind of interferes with my little tool, but that's okay. So when you look at it, 5,000, how are they coming up with the 5,000, right? So the person that actually made this tool is a Udemy instructor, and it really has dove into picking apart the algorithm of this, right? And so, wow, this one is just getting a ton of reviews too. So what you do is you can take a calculator here, and I basically figured out that you can basically do some math and find out that they're basically, on average, and I'm a Udemy instructor, and this makes total sense. Sometimes you'll make $10, sometimes you'll make only $1 or $2 on a sale. But on average, you make about $4.40 per sale. Now, if you're going on the Udemy platform and making sales, this is going to definitely be a volume strategy, right? They're driving all the traffic, doing all the marketing, everything. There's an affiliate marketing program built into Udemy. You're going to have people going out and selling your course. You're going to have organic sales from Udemy. So you just post your course on here, and it's just a done for you business. The traffic will come. So 4.4, and you multiply, or actually you take the 1300, right? So 1343, and you multiply that by about $4.40, and you get about 5,909. So it's really, really, really close. So there, and then at 4.3, it's a little less. So it's about $4.35. Actually, let's do that. $4.35 times 1343. So there it is. $5,842. So it's actually $4.35, right? So you can take any of these, right? And so this number you see right here, estimated revenue, is actually the revenue that is being estimated to as income as the cut for the instructor, right? So they're not getting, $13.99 for, they're not like for up over here, $15.99. They're not getting $15.99 times 1343. That's $21,000. So they're bringing in around that, but, and then also their course isn't selling for $15.99 the entire time. So, anyways, just looking at the working remotely, there's a massive course here making bank per month, and that's just one course. And then you come down to the next one at working from home remotely, and they're making $1,000 a month, right? And then here's where your gateway is, right? Here's a gateway. So this is telecommuting, remote work life. Now, 67 reviews, I can beat that. And I teach that in my PLR Profits Academy course on how to get all these reviews and beat. So we would be able to beat these guys here. We'd be able to beat these guys here at 51, 6, 1700 would be kind of a stretch. But look at all these. There is an opportunity in this niche. Look, Alex right here, he's a top Udemy instructor. And if he's creating a course in this, you better believe that it is going to be, a lucrative. And he must have his for free right now. And so you just keep coming down and you look at the reviews. There is a huge opportunity in here, right? So this one right here, remote work success, earn work less. So this one is estimated at 7,000. They had 1,600 enrollments, 78 reviews. So this is the time to get into this niche. It's very tempting for me right now to take that product and create it into a course as well. So anyway, I hope you liked the video. It did go long today. I usually don't try to put out over 15-minute long videos, but there's just a lot to explain with this. But there is an opportunity here to take that really, really high quality PLR and turn it into one of these courses. And this shows you that it does sell. So if you want to pick this up, it'll be the first link in the description. And actually, there's a little bit more to go over. So I'm going to go ahead and open this back up real quick. And just so you know, I'll go over this really quickly. The tools that you're going to need, because I know I'm going to get a lot of questions on this. Well, what tools do I need to be able to turn this into a course? Well, you need to be able to record it, right? So you're going to do audio recording software, the Audacity, or I use Screencast-O-Matic, and I've taught that in a couple of videos. I also teach that in my PLR Profits Academy course on how to use Screencast-O-Matic, an actual screen recording software where it's an actual amazing tool to record audio, one sentence at a time. It's just beautiful. So you have to be able to record it, or you can outsource it to Fiverr and have somebody redo all the audio, or turn your ebook into an audio. You need a video creation software. So I use Vidnami, EasyVSL, and PowerPoint. Links will be below. PLR rebranding skills. And you can outsource this on Fiverr if you don't want to do it yourself, or you can do it yourself in Canva. No need. You do need to change the graphics. I recommend changing graphics. Since you're turning your PLR into a full video course, there's no need to rewrite the text. No one else will be putting in the effort to make a 1-hour course. You can choose to rewrite the content if you'd like. I use Quillbot or Spin Rewriter. All links to the PLR tools I use are in the description. So I just wanted to go over that real quick. So if you like this video and found value, please hit that like button. It really helps out. And if you would like to subscribe and turn on the bell notification so you don't miss out on more valuable, high quality content like this that a lot of people charge for, I'm giving it to you for free on YouTube. So until next time, take care.